Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Kupcinet. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I remember watching the famous Kupcinet show on television when I was a child. The word Kupcinet refers to a television show often used to describe a popular television program hosted by Kupcinet in the past. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.